Eating just one meal a day, also known as the OMAD diet, is a popular weight loss trend. But what does it actually do to your body? Let's break it down. The OMAD diet is a form of intermittent fasting where you consume all your daily calories in a single meal. This creates a significant calorie deficit, which can lead to weight loss. Proponents of the diet also claim it can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. However, there are also potential downsides to consider. The OMAD diet can cause low energy, dizziness, and difficulty concentrating. It may also lead to nutrient deficiencies if your one meal isn't well balanced. So, is the OMAD diet right for you? It's always best to speak with a healthcare provider before making any drastic changes to your diet. They can help you determine if it's a safe and effective option for your individual needs.